I'm teacher Malou from Takahari English Academy. Today, we will learn one of the idiomatic expression, which is let the cat out of the bag. Can you say it again, please? Very good. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. For example, Bob didn't want anyone to tell that he was sick, but his wife let the cat out of the bag. Another example, I wanted Mother's present to be a secret, but my sister let the cat out of the bag. So, if you have a secret, careful not to let the cat out of the bag. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!